And we are back, and we are ready to create the petal band. So in the Ganesha Yantra, there are 8 petals. 8 petals represent the 5 elements and the 3 planes of reality. So earth, water, air, fire, ether. And the 3 planes are the physical plane, the subtle plane, which is things like the breath body, the energy body, and then the causal plane, which is like the genesis of the other 2. So the most subtle plane. Okay, so to make these petals, put the compass in the center of your piece of paper. Then put the lead on the corner. Remember we had the corner just touching the gates. And then go ahead and redraw that circle so you feel very confident about the circle. Keeping the metal in place, close the compass a little bit. And keeping it around the width of one of the gates, create a second circle. So now you're going to have 2 circles. To create the width of your petal band, close your compass now. And let's see, the light is good here, I think, show you. Put the compass on the outer edge of the paper, the outer edge of the gates, and then close it so you're just encompassing the gates. So that's the whole of the gates, okay? Once you have that measurement, pick up your compass, place the metal on the inner ring, and make a mark on your vertical line. Okay, so now you have a mark on your vertical line. Take the point and put it in the center of the paper. Open up the compass until the lead touches that mark, and then go ahead and draw yourself a circle. Make sure it's solid, and then close the compass just a little bit, and again make yourself a double line. So a double circular band. To create the petal shape themselves, you're going to divide one of these sections, okay, one of these 1/8. So close your compass. Put the metal point on the diagonal line, the lead on the horizontal line, and then you're going to bisect, so crissing and crossing, to find out where is the center. Where is the center point between those 2 spots? Then take your ruler, have it pass through the center and then pass through that crisscross. And then go ahead and draw a small line. Then take your compass. Sometimes I like to test this out, see if it's really in the middle. So that's pretty good. Okay, now take your compass and you're going to put the metal point. Let's see, let's start at the top. Put the metal point at the center and make a semicircle on that lower circular band. And then go ahead, draw 8 of these semicircles. And then once you have 8, you can use the semicircles as a kind of template for your petal shape. So to draw the petals, it's nice to have a point, and then you could loosely go around the circle. There's also a little seed in the center. It's like a lotus petal seed. If there's anything you don't like about one of these petals, at the end, you get a chance to step back, take a look, see if you like it. If you like it, keep it. If you're not sure about a couple of the lines, you can erase them and then have another go. This is the one organic part of the yantra. It's loosely freehand. It's constrained within the semicircular form.